Hello, I'm Michelle, the other half of the M&M Model Railways. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. So let me show you what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be opening this box. I have no idea what's in it, what Michael ordered, so please stay tuned and we will unbox. We're going to see who this is from. So it says Amazon Fulfillment Services. And we are going to open it to see what's inside. I have no idea what Michael orders, so it's always like Christmas.
It's always a surprise for her.
I get so excited. And I will show you guys what he ordered. Alright, let's see what's in here. Alright, looks like some more plaster. Sculpting-Mold. Sculpting-Mold.
You can just set that on the floor.
So that is very handy when you're doing model trains. Okay, what else is in here? Oh, wow. Some more trees. This is fir trees that we're going to be using.
Notice it says N scale?
N scale because we are doing an N scale model railways.
Now you notice that the other trees that were had, the size difference between the trees?
Well,
wow.
I was thinking they were a little too tall. So I don't know if you can see this. There's individual trees inside there. I don't know if you can see this different sizes, but like here's one right here. That looks more like N scale.
Picking up the glare from the camera. Show them the tag though. Show them the tag.
Oh.
Don't open it up. Just show them the tag.
So these
Zoom in on it.
These are the fir trees, so these are definitely more like N scale trees.
Right.
The other ones look just too tall.
Okay, what else is in there?
Alright, what else? Little tiny. Oh, how cute. Model lights for the N scale train. Oh, wow.
Turn it sideways so they can see
So I don't know.
signal.
Hopefully you guys can see this. It's a little signal. It's a model. They're little model lights, and they also have a cord. So Michael's gonna hook those up, so at night we can see them.
Actually, let me talk to him about something here. As you can see, this has a really tiny signal thing in there.
We should open up.
There's actually 2 of those in there.
Is that it? Okay. The box aside.
Supposed to have 2 of them.
They are tiny. Here, where is it?
Good. Actually, this is only one side of it.
Oh wow, those are cute.
I was looking for
Wow, that's cute.
2 of them. So this goes on one side of our crossing. So this will go on this side. One will go on the other side, and it has a little circuit board that goes with it. Okay, has little directions. I thought I was ordering a pair, but that's only one. I will be showing you how we put that together on video, but just to let you know, we have our Kato Power Pack over here, and as you can see, it has our switch controls here, but we can also get a power pack that has an off and on button. So when our trains come through there, we'll hit the on button and the light will flash. And then after it goes through there, we'll hit off. So on and off. But we're gonna, on this layout, we're gonna have 3 of those that we'll have to hit. So that gives us more to do when we're actually running our trains. Instead of just running the throttle, we're gonna be running a switching operation. We're gonna be running our signal lights. We're gonna be running our crossing lights. It's a pretty cool layout. Anything else you'd like to say to him?
I'm just excited, and I can't wait until he orders the little models, like the stockyard and what else were you gonna?
Well, the stockyard should be coming soon, and that's revealing one of our surprises. But we'll be doing an unboxing video at that time.
And guess who gets to put them together?
But she's got a couple of things to do. She's got to glue the mirror back on our little semi because it broke off, and we have it in the shipping
I have
package.
to use my tweezers.
And then now she's got the guardrails to do. She needs to do the guardrails so we can secure everything down underneath our track. We'll be pouring the resin and finishing the river out, and I'll be installing 2 lighted cars underneath this bridge. All build videos that you'll get to watch with us. But we want to thank you for watching, and please subscribe. And if you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up. And make a comment if you like what you're seeing, if you want to see more build videos. Sometimes I don't always do a build video on things, I just do little things, and I don't think I need to make a video on everything. But if you want to see everything that we're doing, please give us a comment, let us know.
All right, have a great day.
What I like to say before we close is I like to have her give some feedback from a wife's perspective on doing a model train layout right in the middle of our living room. A lot of these model railroad people, their wives aren't involved with that. So I want her to kind of talk about that a little bit, and then we'll close the video.
Well, Michael wanted to have a train because he is, you know, a train person. He used to work for the trains. And so in the past, he wanted to just do a little layout on top of the fireplace, which I said that was fine. So I volunteered to make it bigger, and he was shocked. He's like, really? So I'm like, yeah, I love trains. So we decided to eventually, and we'll show you in the future, that we are going to extend our train set, and you guys will get to see the future remodeling of our train set. So as a wife, I love trains, and I grew up with trains, so of course I want a model railroad set. So I hope you liked this video. Please hit subscribe and give us a comment. Thank you.